It's been a minute since I've vlogged, so here's a brief synopsis of what I've been up to in the past 4 months. I went to Whistler.
Hey, we ran into this guy on an airplane.
Yeah, crazy.
Hit that subscribe button, hit the like button and the bell for notifications. Good to see you.
Oh, good to see you too, buddy.
Bye-bye.
Nice seeing you.
Exit here.
Have
for
so much
all
fun.
gates.
We'll do.
Don't break your ACL, meniscus, your tendons, your...
If you do, we'll pay for the hospital bill.
No,
Please
it's on
watch
camera
your
now.
step.
Bye.
It's so nice. They're just like refreshing running into people that you didn't mean to run into, or like, not didn't mean to, but like, yeah, didn't mean to run into, I guess. Like you ran into by chance. But yeah, I hadn't seen Austin in a long time, and he was on my flight, and got to hang out and talk to him, which is pretty neat. With some friends, Mia, and then met a couple of her friends from Seattle who were super cool, super fun. Skiing was a lot of fun in Whistler. I had Soul tryouts and hung out with the Soul boys, so I'm playing Soul again, so that's exciting. Although I technically haven't been rostered for a game yet, but I will be, hopefully. I've had 2 friends move away, which kind of sucks. Elliot.
Best city in the world. He's really doing it. He's really doing it.
And Double D's, Dee.
Are you filming my goodbye?
Come here, come here, come here. Oh, Dee. Can't wait.
We're not supposed to talk about it until we're out, though.
I know. I'm gonna
be
FaceTime
like,
you.
blah, blah, blah,
I'm gonna
blah.
FaceTime you all the time.
Yeah, I'm gonna text you everything about Boston. Drama.
Yeah, I
Where's the
can't
drama?
wait.
You're not gonna know anyone.
Yeah. Oh,
You're gonna be like, hey, who's that?
yeah. To be fair, I do that a lot though too. I just mention people's names.
Anyone?
Yeah, and
I'm
James
like,
gets.
yeah, sure.
Yeah, James gets like mad at me, but I'll see Elliot tomorrow, so I'm pretty stoked about that. I've celebrated some birthdays and just hung out with some friends.
Maddie! Okay, turn to the right. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Blow it.
Get your fuel. Get your fuel. Get your
Needed
fuel. Get your fuel.
Cars don't run on empty, pal. Gasoline.
Get your fuel.
You're crazy.
You want me to hold that?
this?
Yeah.
Same U-Haul has been parked in that spot for like a week and a half.
Oh wow. Went to a few weddings. Went to a college roommate's wedding in DC.
He takes off my dress, now let me go.
And went to another friend's wedding here in Austin. Both a lot of fun. And I went to the World Baseball Classic in March, and that was a blast. Got to see Puerto Rico play, so I'll probably make a video about that here at some point. And I moved. I live here with my brother at a new house, so that's kind of exciting. And yeah, now I gotta pack because I leave to go to Mexico in like 9 hours. So peace.
In the house for a very long time. Never a cease, I get better like wine. Soul searching, found me online. No end of my reach, got a hand on the skies. Stop being so emotional, what you smoking on? About time I open up, you can't roll with us.